Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Glocusent Ergonomic neck light, and then after we've unboxed it, we'll compare it to the original Glocusent neck light. We'll just see what the differences are, and in the next video we'll just do a in-depth look to see what the differences are between both. This will just be a quick look to see how they compare. So let's see, this one has the manual with it, little card, a USB charging cable. Let's see what type of charging end it uses. So it's a USB-C charging end. I believe that's the same as the original. So that's the original there, yep. So that's the same as the original one, so that part's the same. Now let's undo it from the packaging. You can already see something that's different. That's up the end here. So this one has these little pads here. So if we get the original one and we put it on top, it does appear to be, firstly, if you compare the two together, the original one is slightly shorter, it looks like. So that's lined up back to back. The original one is slightly shorter, as you can see. That may be more or less convenient for you, just depends on what you like. And then as you can see, this one here has the little pads that look like they rest on the neck. And they seem to move. So they move with how your neck contours. This one, the original one, does have this little part at the back here, which is a bit fuzzy but soft, if that makes sense. Let's have a look at the back. So this one, this is the ergonomic one, has light adjusters. So it looks like it's got a timer here, it's got a temperature, and it's got a lock, so that potentially will stop these buttons from being pressed. This one here just has light temperature. Now I'll quickly turn it on. It may need more charging, as I said. I'll put that in another video if it's necessary. But I'll quickly just turn the original one on. So that's the original there. Had the original one for quite a while. So let's see. Both are on at the moment. You can sort of see as I change through the colors, it does get brighter. Yeah, so this one's got the one which is the ergonomic one does have some buttons here which do the brightness as well as the color or temperature. It must be brightness. And the original also has the same. Let's put them both to max brightness. Actually, let's see. Sorry, one side has on off, so that's on and off. But then above that is the increase of brightness. So that seems to be the max brightness on one and the max brightness on the other. We'll just see if we can change the color temp. Just going to the back here where it's got the color temperature setting. Let's see if we can get them both similar. So that looks very similar. There we go. So that's the two similar colors. Let's see how the other one switches through. Yes, they both have very similar color temperature types. And both have very similar brightness. So it really just does depend what sort of style you like, whether you like the contouring neck supports. Also the timer, that's also on the ergonomic one. I don't believe I've seen a timer function on the original, but otherwise, yeah, both seem to have a way to adjust the brightness and the temperature. This one here though, you can keep it on the temperature you like and then just turn it on and off as you please. So that's the unboxing of the ergonomic neck light and the comparison to the original neck light. So there's the ergonomic and there's the original.